A buddy introduced it to me via Facebook. I was really intrigued about DermaFusion technology. I've never seen anything like that. I've always been into my health and wellness and taken supplements, all kinds of supplements, most of my adult life. From day one, I was a believer. You know, within minutes of taking my capsules that morning, I felt alive, awake, alert, and ready to go to work. Took my lifestyle mix that morning, great tasting, which surprised me because I've taken a lot of protein shakes that didn't taste good at all, but I drank them anyway. Put my DFT on, went to work. I'm a high school teacher and coach. Had a super great day at work, was energetic all day, felt good all day, and I've been a thriver ever since. So the last 13 months I haven't missed a day, and it's just made me better all the way around. I'm a better person, a better father, and it's just been an amazing experience. I was a skeptic as well when I first started. I've taken a lot of supplements and I felt good, but nothing like what this product has done. I mean, I've never been so excited to wake up every morning and take my lifestyle capsules, drink my lifestyle mix, and put on my DFT because I know how great I'm going to feel throughout the day. That's all I've done is shared my experience passionately every single day via social media and face-to-face, and man, it's a blast. I mean, it's been such an awesome experience, and talking about building relationships, I've met so many new people. I've rekindled old relationships and built a whole lot of new ones, and to me, that's what endears me really the most to this company, because they really truly do want everybody to live a life they deserve, and that's what's happening for everybody that's a thriver.